Do you know how buoyancy affects fluid flow? Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Abruf and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can implement buoyancy effect in fluid flow simulation using COMSOL Multiphysics. In this model, due to difference in density between the water and air, the water phase moves downward while the air phase rises upward because of buoyancy forces. Let's get started. Click on Model Wizard. Here we select 2D. Open fluid flow and we select multi-phase flow because we have two-phase flow, and here we select two-phase flow level set and we use turbulent flow. Here we use K-epsilon method. Okay, we use time dependent because we have variation with time. Right click on geometry 1 and select a square. The side length is 0.5. Okay, right click here and we select and duplicate, and for position the y is 0.5. Okay, you see we have two domains. Now right click on material, add material from library, and here we select air and water. Okay, add to component. Now here multiphysics two-phase flow. Okay, and the fluid one is on water and fluid 2 is air. Okay, and also we active surface tension. Now click on turbulent flow and here we active include gravity. Okay, and here we don't have any inlet and outlet, but we need to define a pressure point. Okay, see here points, pressure point constraint, and here we use this point because we need to select it for convergence issues, and the pressure here we use 0. Now click on level set, and here you see we have two initial value. So this is for fluid 1 and this is for fluid 2. Here you see we have two fluid domain. The fluid 1 is water and fluid 2 is air, and this is our fluid 2 for air. Okay, so here you see the fluid 2. This is domain for air and this is for water. You see the fluid 1 and this is fluid 2. Okay, now click on mesh, click on Vidal. Okay, now click on time dependent, and here we use the time SF is 0.01 and the subtime is 5. Okay, now compute the model. The run has been completed and now we want to see our result. So this is our velocity, this is our pressure, and here we have the volume fraction. You see the volume fraction of water, so you see that. Okay, now click on animation and click on clear. Okay, you see again. So we increase the number of frames and here we use 50. Okay, now run again.